Hi, I'm Dave Booth with Caliber Equipment. What I'd like to do is take a couple minutes and walk you through one of the many products that we offer from Nilfisk. This here is the IVAC VT Mercury Wet Vac. Now, this is a very unique piece of equipment, so if you are in manufacturing, healthcare, college, universities, if you're dealing with mercury, that is a very toxic chemical, and it has to be handled in a special way. So what IVAC has done, and they have a whole line of all types of wet vacs, critical vacs, vacs that are designed for special circumstances. The VT Mercury is one that is very special, and what I'd like to do is I'll walk you through each of the pieces of this machine so you have a better idea. First of all, as I said, this machine is designed if you have spilled mercury liquid, or you have mercury that is involved with other material that you need to vacuum up, you have to do it in a safe manner. This is something that OSHA looks at, and if you don't have certain protocols in place, you're putting your employees, your operation at risk. So the VT Mercury starts off with, this is a 12-gallon wet dry vac. Comes with a rolling cart. This is the base of the unit. And of course, it comes with a fine filtering media down on the bottom, which is going to help filter your dry dust and particles down to 0.3 microns. But if you have liquid mercury, we have to separate that. So one of the first components you see is a centrifugal separator, which simply attaches onto the front of the machine and locks in place. So now any liquid that is in whatever you're picking up, mercury, is going to spin out and go into a collection cup, which now it can be reused or properly disposed of. Now as the airflow comes through, you have a filtering bag here. The next section has a HEPA filter, and again, each one of these pieces are designed with 3 latches to securely lock it and seal any airflow coming out. The next and most important part is a carbon fiber filtering system. That's what this is. It's a honeycomb design, specially made with activated charcoal in it, and this is going to capture any kind of mercury or contaminants that are flowing up through the unit. This simply sets down inside, just like that. So the next stage is you have your power head, which then also would lock down on here. This is a 1,000 amp or 1,000 watt motor, has incredible water lift and CFM. This also, you'll see it all has these heavy latches in order to secure it all the way around. And they'll simply turn it, and now it's locked on. So each of the sections, as you see, from the base unit to the carbon filter to the power head, are all tightly sealed up, as well as your front unit that is separating the liquid. Last thing, of course, it does come with your hose. This is a smooth wall hose so that it minimizes any kind of dry or wet debris getting stuck inside of it. So as you can see, this unit, compact, portable, but it's designed for mercury spills, whether you're in manufacturing, healthcare, college, university, labs. This is something you definitely want to take a look at, because mercury pickup, storage, and proper handling is essential, and you have to follow OSHA protocols, and this machine meets all those. For more information, give us a call. Caliber Equipment, 888-550-0945, and thanks for watching.